Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake Oreo. First, let's create the perfect base. You'll need about 24 Oreo cookies, finely crushed, which is roughly 2 1/4 cups of crumbs. Mix these with 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter until well combined. Then, firmly press this delicious mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Pop it into the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes to set while you prepare the creamy filling. Now for the star of the show, the rich cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat 3 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, mixing until just incorporated. Next, beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully combined before adding the next. Finally, gently fold in about 1 cup of roughly chopped Oreo cookies for that signature crunch. With your filling ready, carefully pour it over the chilled Oreo crust in the springform pan. Place it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 60 to 70 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. Once baked, let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour. Then, the crucial step, refrigerate your cheesecake for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight, to achieve that perfect firm texture. After thorough chilling, carefully remove your magnificent Oreo cheesecake from the springform pan. Now for the delightful finishing touches. You can pipe swirls of freshly whipped cream around the top edge, and then sprinkle generously with extra crushed Oreo cookies for an irresistible presentation. Slice your beautiful creation into 12 generous servings. This decadent dessert is best enjoyed cold and can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.